Technology was the driving force of all industrial revolutions. 30 years ago, with the invention of 3D printing, began another, the fourth industrial revolution, which has been speeding up unbelievably in the past few years now. The costs of professional 3D printing solutions have decreased significantly, which is why 3D printing is now present in numerous industrial companies. Industrial 3D printing is used in many fields: production of spare parts for machinery and production lines, jigs and fixtures fabrication, rapid prototyping, as well as personalized low-volume production. When choosing a 3D solution for your company, take into account the few characteristics that an industrial 3D printer should have, such as high-dimensional precision and repeatable printing, a large build volume, an enclosed and heated chamber. Also, pay attention to the prices of dedicated printing materials, which will define the final operating cost of your machine. If you are not sure how 3D printing can optimize the cost and time in your company, use the services of professionals who will analyze your needs, opportunities, and assess the return on investment. Factory 2.0 production system, designed for industry.